Jubilant Foodworks, yes. You bought it? 1% earned also. Very good. It's a global call. What? I'm so good, man. Oh, Motilal Oswal also gave the call yesterday. What? Okay. By the way, it's a fundamentally fantastic stock. I've done some fundamentals for this also. Looks very good in the next year. I mean, if you're going ahead with this, I don't think it's like a swing trade category also. I mean, you can enter and exit just for fun, but it can be a 1 year call also with very good possible returns. Current ratio is only one parameter, na? Why current ratio can be bad, I will tell you. Right now, they are on a very big expansion mode. So whatever liquidity they have, they're investing it in different outlets. Check out their fixed assets increase. Those who have done my fundamental analysis batch. You remember one more website that I had referred to? Screener.in. And in Screener.in, just check their fixed assets additions. It's huge. They're just going on an expansion spree right now. Okay, just quickly checking this out one more time. MACD, confirmation, yes. RSI confirmation, yes. 31st December. Wait. Okay, these are normal pivot points, is it? Forget it. Just for you to give a better picture. Okay, I want 100% attention now. Something important coming up. Right. Now, Jubilant Foodworks, why one more evident call is there? Okay. If you were to just check out one more time, I'll just delete this pivot point. Shall we quickly draw the pivot also? Yes. Are we having a good time frame? No. Okay. Quickly tell me, how do I draw a pivot? Sorry, Fibonacci. Fib retracement. Click. Lowest point roughly here. Correct. Highest point is what we are at right now. Correct. Click and leave. Okay. Can I take it back also now so that it doesn't move a lot? Yes. See, when the stock was in a downtrend, you can see almost every single time wherever it has retraced, it has tested absolute perfect levels. This, correct? Right now it is showing a very good support at which level, tell me? 23.6%. 1, 2, 3. Back-to-back support, and then it has given a big spike. Okay. Fair enough till here? We are going to discuss one pattern today for Domino's only, for Jubilant Foodworks only. That pattern is known as an up flag pattern. Okay, so you can leave a line and write down chart patterns. This is the last. I don't prefer using that because whenever I try to backtest the test, predicting future with Fibonacci, I didn't get very good results, so I don't use that. Instead of that, I'll tell you calculating. You want to calculate target price, na? I'll tell you with up flag. Pattern formations generally give you very reliable. Of course, again, reliable is probability is high. The target price can be fairly calculated. Pattern does not lie. Okay. Okay. Right. But it's not kabhi jhoot nahi bolta is wrong. I'm trying to tell you from day one. You don't know what kind of experiences I'm getting these days through YouTube. People write mails, people write letters. Yesterday only I have received a mail from one of the viewers. Of course, I'll not name him. But it gives me experiences on what maddening things people have done in the stock market. He said that I'm your big fan and all that, whatever. And he said that I lost my father due to stock markets. And he had invested his father had invested entire money in stock market. That too in few stocks. And then unfortunately, these few stocks, if you have not done a study, these are all these scam related stocks. When you get news, when you get tips, ghar bech ke le lo. And people do all these things. And then they feel that I'm going to definitely double my money, triple my money in this. This is not a shortcut. You have to analyze things. And even if you analyze, we are doing 5, 6, 7 analysis. Still you will find 1 or 2 calls will fail. It has to be something which gives you a side income. Can be your primary income also, no doubt about that. But then don't put all your eggs in one basket. Money management is so very important, and if you're doing it as a full-timer, you need to understand the risk management part and money management part so carefully. And he said, since that I just started to hate the stock market. I never even turned back to that. Then he said, once when I was watching your YouTube videos, when he was watching YouTube, one of my video popped up in recommendations by YouTube. Then he said, I started watching, and slowly, steadily, because you are giving the science behind that, you're talking about the logic behind that basically. Now I have started to realize, okay, there might be something, there might be a study behind this. So I will never use a term that it will never lie, it will be for sure. Take this out of your mind. It will never happen. Even if you are able to achieve 7 out of 10 accuracy, you're doing very good. Just keep this in mind. Okay? Yes. So quickly going back to Jubilant FoodWorks. Understand this. Has it shown a very good support at 23? Yes. And now our question is, how much can it go up? For that, we are trying to test out various chart patterns. Okay. Have you given the heading as chart patterns? And right on the first chart pattern is an up flag. Up flag. So basically what you're required to do is just visualize a flag and a flagpole. Okay. So yes. So correct. Asa 24 जानेवारी नंतर. Why? Oh my god. भविष्य वगैरे सांगतोस का काय तू? Really? काय म्हणतोय तो? Okay, my pen refuses to work right now. It's okay. Okay, now understand this. Just as an example, flag. You can visualize the rectangular. So flag cloth. Pay attention 1 minute. Mangya laksha de. Flag cloth. Okay, like a rectangle. Yes. Can you see or visualize this like a flag cloth? Yes. And this can be visualized like a flagpole. Correct? Is your stock going to move like this? No. How has this flagpole been drawn? It has been drawn on an somewhere around, not exactly a breakout, but can I say from here an up move had started. Up move or an uptrend had started from here. Followed by what? Followed by a sideways trend. I'll just take out the pivot points right, Fibonacci right now. So see what had happened. Here you can see an uptrend. Correct? Followed by a sideways trend. And this sideways trend is now broken out. That is a pattern of a flag. Is this okay? So point number 1 is what? There has to be an uptrend or an up move. Point number 2, there has to be a sideway trend. And point number 3, there has to be a breakout above that sideway trend. Is this okay? Yes? So I'll delete these lines for you, again for you to visually understand. When I'm looking at this chart, from here clearly an up move has started. So clear this is. Everyone can see this. Then clearly this sideways trend is seen. So how do I draw a trend line? I'm going to connect the maximum number of wicks. Don't try to cut through the body. Last one is cutting the body. That's in fact nothing but the breakout candle. Okay till here? Now just try to take it back. Somewhere till here. Why? This is my starting point of what? Starting point of my pole, starting point of my up move. Is this like a bullish engulfing? Like. Correct? So now what do I draw? I draw the pole. Pole I'm drawing from the start of up move till what? Till the cloth of the flag. From the start of up move till cloth of the flag. Okay, now we will see some data written here. Can you see this? And it says that it's a 311 points move. 311 points move. Into bracket you can see 23.3%. 23.3%. It's a Fibonacci number. It's there, very much there. Sounds magic, but yeah, it happens sometime. So it has gone up and it has stopped at that level. From there, sideways trend has started. So it acted as a resistance afterwards. Okay. So now the up flag pattern says that if you have an uptrend, a sideways trend and a breakout, then how much further can it go? It can go this distance which was covered earlier. Again, day 1, what is technical analysis? Analyzing the past, predicting the future. Whatever has happened in the past ideally should happen in the future. So this up move should ideally repeat here. That much, same. So if I call this as X, how much is X in our example? 311. And this 311 should be added to this breakout. From the breakout, it should go up 311 points. Is this okay? Huh? So now what is the second thing which we are interested in? Time target. So we are talking about 2 points now. One is price target and one is time target. Tell me, how do you calculate price target? First tell me, how do you calculate price target? The height from what to what? From the start of up move till the flag, the cloth of the flag, upper part of cloth flag, resistance line I can say. Correct or not? That same price target I'm going to add up to where? To the breakout. Correct? That is the price target. Now we are interested in the time target. I'm going to give you in writing everything, don't worry. Now time target, for that it says that wherever your pole has started till your breakout, horizontal. So I'll try to draw it a little bit precisely, because here our pole has started. Are you with me? Here the pole has started till this is the breakout, end of the flag, cloth breaks there. Okay. Here, can you see that it calculates 49 bars? I'm keeping my cursor here again. It's calculated for us. So otherwise, if you want, you can still try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to give you how many bars? 49 bars. So this was achieved. I mean, this sideways trend basically was for how many days? 49 days. 49 days, working days. Huh? So it's almost 2 months of sideways trend. Correct? Now the theory says, again, I have not done this theory. Some great person might have done this. And you can also check this in different books. Like if you've heard about CFA examination, heard about this? Chartered Financial Analyst. If you are wanting to do your career in stock markets and capital markets, I can say, then I feel that as compared to CA, even CFA can be better. And CA plus CFA is a fantastic combination. But CFA gives you much more detailed analysis about markets. Okay, so what I did is I did not want to give CFA after I cleared CA. I was done with the studying part. But I've referred to a lot of CFA modules also. I've not given the examination, so I don't have the degree with me, but I've read many modules of CFA. In that, this formula is given that the time target will be the number of candles in the sideways trend divided by 3. Number of sideways candles is 49 divided by 3. So just to give you a round down number, instead of 49, we'll take 48. It's divisible by 3. So 48 divided by 3 is 16. So my target of an up move of 311 points should be achieved in 16 trading sessions. In 16 days. In 16 trading sessions. Why 16 trading sessions? Because don't count Saturday, Sunday. That's why I'm saying 16 trading sessions. So I got a price target. I got a time target. I have a Bollinger. I have an MACD. For this, let me check. I'll just draw it here. Yeah, it is a breakout. It is a breakout. And it's a squeeze and it's a breakout. See, so beautiful squeeze. Can you see here? 22nd November, 21st November to 30th December. More than a month. Squeeze and breakout. Now we have so many parameters for this. As I said, it's a MACD crossover. It's a Bollinger Band thumbs up. It's an RSI thumbs up. RSI, I'm not sure whether it has crossed or not. It has crossed? Yes, it is above 60. It is above 60. And plus we have an up flag in place now. Okay? So this should work well. Plus fundamentally it's strong. Okay? So again, I will request everyone to take at least one share, or if you don't have money, it's okay. You can do a paper trade at least. Minimum thing you have to do is a paper trade. Okay? Shall we write for up flag? Even if it retraces, it will retrace to 23%. Okay? Or you never know, it can go on making higher highs, and the Fibonacci, I just drag the line to the low to high. High, I'm just dragging it further and dragging it further. It might happen. Because all other numbers are giving me a positive breakout right now. So there's no reason why I should wait right now. If it shows some kind of weakness, let's say it starts falling here, then I may quit and wait for the 23% level or the 38% level and then buy back again. Okay? Fibonacci for maximum period means? Long duration. You can try out. Try out. Generally, I use 9 to 10 months. Always, whenever you feel you can do something different other than what I've told, it's absolutely okay. It can be your theory. Just backtest and then use. Can be more suitable for a longer term investor. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll just check. I just want the time frame in place. I'll just close Bollinger Band. Okay. And we have almost a 9-month data on the screen. And he's wanting to have a Fibonacci again. From the highest point to lowest point he wants. Correct. Oh, okay. Okay, I got it. 1 minute. So assume that you are saying that we are here, something like this. Okay, got your point. So let us say we are at this point right now. We don't know what has happened in the future, and this was the lowest point, and as of now this is like the highest point. Sorry, you want again highest to lowest? Yeah, I got it. So maybe here, from here, or you want it from here, the head. You want from the head till lowest point that I can see here is here, let us say. Then I will drag. Okay. Okay. In this case, it is near the 61% right now. See, remember this? This was 61%. It's near the 61% right now. So this breakout is yet to come, but it can eventually follow. So if you're of that opinion, similar opinion, it could retrace from here also, but I don't think it can retrace to this level directly. I don't feel there is any chance of retracing this level. You have a very strong support here. So again, you have a fair chances of going up. So again, if you feel that, or if it comes down, then what? Again, use the same strategy. You're buying 50, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, or 20, 20, 10. Split it and buy it. It's always the safest strategy. Okay. Shall we write for F flag quickly? Write down F flag. It is evidenced by, or it is seen by. It is evidenced by, or it is seen by. It is seen by. Now we'll write down in steps. Step number 1, up move. Up move. Point number 2, what do we see? No, up move is there, na? First step is up move. Then we saw a sideways trend or a consolidation. Sideways trend or consolidation. What do we call this? Side move or consolidation into bracket? This we call this as what? Cloth of the flag. Cloth of the flag. You can write that into bracket. Cloth of the flag. Okay, what do we see after that? Close above what? Above the upper part of the cloth. So close above resistance, can you write down? Yes, close above resistance. Okay. Acha, when will it be fantastic? If that too, if it is with good volumes, then more amazing. Okay. So if there itself write down, if it is accompanied by increase in volume dash, it is better. Right? Then write down the next point. What happens next? We are going to calculate now price target and time target. So write down, next step is calculation of price target. Calculation of price target. Write down, calculate the distance from start of the pole. Calculate the distance from start of the pole. Start of the pole. What is pole into bracket? What can you write down? Start of the up move. Very good. Start of the pole is nothing but start of the up move. Till what are we going to calculate? Till the resistance. Till the resistance. So can I say that's going to be the upper part of your flag? Resistance is what? Upper part of the flag. If you want to write there also into bracket, upper part of the flag. Okay. Now this distance, if we say this is x, let's say this distance is x, right there. Assume this distance is equal to x. Then price target will be what? Tell me. No, price divided by 3 is for time target. Price target will be what? We are going to add x to the breakout point, means we are going to add it from the breakout point. This is one possibility. One more thought says that to be on a safer side, you can take the lower part of the flag and add x to this. But then your target is drastically reduced. Correct? So write down, where have we started? Target will be x plus, we'll write down first the conservative one, x plus what? Low point of the, how do I describe this? Low of the cloth flag, a support of the cloth, or this x plus support, write down x plus support. And what is support into bracket? Cloth, lower cloth of the flag. We'll also draw it so that you understand. Lower cloth of the flag. So have you written x plus what? Support. That is the lower cloth of the flag. So we'll get that 311 ka point. Okay. Next point, write down time target. Time target. That is an aggressive one. It is nothing but instead of lower cloth, it will be from high. But that's an aggressive one. Okay. Write down time target is equal to number of candles from what? Start of the pole. Number of candles from start of the pole to which candle? Breakout candle. Start of the pole till breakout candle divided by 3. Divided by 3. Have you understood how to calculate time target, price target? Yes? Sure? So your homework is, you are going to do Jubilant Footwork up flag assignment. Okay? You are going to tell me, it's an up flag pattern, that also I've told you now. Okay? You have to calculate what will be the price target and in how many days, by what date I should be ideally achieving that target. And everyone has to tell me today. Tomorrow, sorry. Okay, so your homework is Jubilant Footworks. Up flag is clear. We are going to do 2-3 more patterns tomorrow. We are going to do a down flag. See, basically, if you understand up flag, down flag is going to be exactly reverse. Na? Instead of uptrend, sideways trend and breakout, it's going to be downtrend, sideways and breakdown. That will be useful for shorting. Right now we are talking about going long. For shorting, this will be useful, down flag. So we'll do down flag tomorrow. We'll do double top, double bottom, head and shoulders. We'll do all this tomorrow. Okay.